I think I gotta actually take out the garbage tonight. So if she's making me do that, I'm gonna make her help me take this hood off. I don't care if she's wearing her pajamas. Dudes, what's up? Welcome back. I'm still shaking off this cold, but getting better. Anyways, I got a bunch of videos coming for you guys. I made sure to have stuff uploaded ahead of time, and that way you got content, because winter's for me, if you didn't know, are crazy. I know I say it all the time, but it's true. And if you didn't know, that means you're probably not a subscriber, so hit the subscribe button. Let's go. First things first. What's up, dudes? I don't know if you can hear this, but I'm gonna try my new Safari camera out. Now I got the waterproof casing on it, so if you can hear me now, oh my god. It's so cool. So that's how we have to take the garbage out around here, because it took a quarter mile of asphalt to make our driveway. Gotta deal with it. I'm gonna take the hood off this car, figure out what size those bolts are. I'm gonna need a hand on this one because that's a big heavy hood, so oh wait, we weren't in the shot, we gotta do it again.
Fuck, that's heavy. Oh, look at that.
Oh, she broke her hands. It's tough to be a car chick. Not me, her. Thank you for the help. In your car. Alright, so she's gonna have a bruise. And now we can start working under the hood, because look at all the room now. It actually looks kind of cool. We should just leave the hood off all the time. No? That's it for now. Problem we have is time. We're gonna start working on this real soon, doing stuff to it, and yeah, we'll go from there. So since, yeah, work's been busy, it's snowing a lot, I gotta leave early. I'm getting home late, doing what I can, doing what we can, whatever. I'm trying to keep up for you guys. So anyway, I'll see you soon. I'll bring you to work with me and stuff like that. You'll see what I gotta deal with. So peace out, stay happy.